Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use image recognition, artificial intelligence image recognition to correctly identify the parts and how to AI make it easy for you to find. So I'm going to start off by having some parts which already need to be identified. So I'm going to collect there is this parts here, copy. This is a sample parts that the customer have sent us, actual sample from the customer. Gonna click paste. So this is description based search. Gonna click a description here and then the usual thing, just search for alternative. And we're gonna see how image recognition will help us find the right part for us. So if you look at here, the customer is looking for essentials economof SNR25. I don't know what is this, and unless you are experienced, very experienced, you know what the customer wants. I don't know what is it, but let's give it a shot with RS website and see. So the RS website doesn't recognize this search. Let's try Google search. Okay. So with Google search, essentials, economy, did you mean economy, whatever? But there is a search result here that looks like this is the one. So click on it, right? So now we know it's an air defender, right? Looks like a headset or air defender. It's an air defender, right? So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click print screen on my keyboard. Click print screen or BRTSC. It's like on the keyboard. You're gonna find it. Find the button. Click print screen. You're gonna see this. You can move with the mouse where you can select region from the screen to select. So I'm gonna select this region where it has the image of the air defender like this. Put it in a box, right? And then leave the leave the un like leave the button. It will automatically capture the screen. When it does this, XFinder automatically will grab it, right? Now, once you grab it, tell XFinder, can you use AI recognition to recognize this image, right? So XFinder will give you a wide range of options. This could be a headphones or, and this you can see, it's very similar to the parts. Or it could be a corridor accent lighting. That's a not very good thing. A key access, again, not a good thing. Air defenders, yeah, looks right. USB headset, yeah, looks right. Limit switch accessories, yeah, not right. So yeah, this one, and this one. So it depends on what the customer want, and you need to put some judgments here. So I think the customer wanted an air defender. This is also based on the description. So I'm gonna click OK here. If none of them match it, you can click cancel, right? So click OK. Now you see now you start the matches, get it right. Okay. Perhaps if there is a color, say there is a color here. If you can make it gray, yeah, so there's a gray here. Yeah, so it's only one option. If you uncheck here and gray, right? So yeah, so we kind of match it with something that looks maybe similar to what the customer wanted, which is an air defender. So XFinder has helped you find the right board, okay? And by image recognition, to make it easier for you to find. Let's go to the second one. So this is a heavy duty power connectors, right? So connector wire, is this the right one? I don't know, but let's search RS website. Again, there is no results, but if we search Google, let's search Google, what Google says. So Google says it's something like this. If you look the results here, it doesn't look right. Okay. Maybe there is a heavy duty power connectors family. So click this family. Maybe it's in this family. Doesn't look right. Okay. So let's go. It looks like this part is coming from Mauser here. So let's go to Mauser and see what is this part. Okay. So yeah, heavy duty power connectors. So this is the heavy duty power connectors, 8 millimeter SLB plug. But you see all of them, they have like this orange thing. Okay, so if you enlarge one of them here, yeah, it should look like this, something similar to this. So again, I'm gonna click print screen, gonna use AI to recognize this part and tell us which family I should be searching for. So go back here, image is captured, click AI recognition, right? So so XFinder says you should look into the electric vehicle connectors, right? So you're gonna find this stuff there. Or it's in binding posts. Yeah, looks similar, but it's a connector, so I'm gonna find a connector here. The description says it's a connector, so I'm gonna trust the connector family. I'm gonna search in the connector family and see if something here maybe is there is a color or something here that we could use. Yeah, color, maybe orange. Yeah, so we are there here. You need also to adjust the height and width and length and everything, right? So you can see that now with image recognition, we were able to identify it's an electric vehicle family, not in the heavy duty power connector family, although it's called heavy duty power connector. So it's a looks like either it's a misalignment, family misalignment, like it's in the wrong family, or actually Mauser call it the wrong thing. Whichever is right, I have no idea. Let's see, this one also, uh, a 10 millimeter by M10 lugs. Is this the right part? We don't know. Let's give it a shot with RS search first. Always try RS first, but this also doesn't look right. A good results. I know this immediately when you see thousands of results, because when you see thousands matches, that means it, the results has span a lot of families, and that's didn't find a match in a good family. And also you can tell this by looking at the diverse range of options available by tapes and double-ended spanners and stuff like that. Anyway, so I'm gonna go to Google, do a Google search. So a Google search, they all agree on the same look, right? It should look like this. No matter how they call it, it should look like this. Anyway, so I'm gonna select one of them here. Yeah, I don't know how it's called, but I know it looks like this. So I'm gonna click again, image recognition, print a screen. I'm gonna select box the image in a box like this, right? Gonna release the mouse. Once you release the mouse, it's captured here. Then you click AI recognition. Now XFinder will find the family. So it's a crimp ring terminal, which is the right family. Then you click OK. Yeah, focus the search on this family, and then you do the filters, until you find the right one. So it's an M10. So stat size. Let's see. I think there is so stat size M10. See, there is M12, M10. So M10 here. So you got 72 options. Out inner 10 millimeter, which looks like it's an inner diameter. So select 10 millimeter here. So you end up with four options, right? You can also use image recognition with whatever images. So if you click browse for other images, you can see you can load images from your disks. If you actually have a lot of images, that you want to identify, it's stored locally on a file or something. It's not like with a screen capture. So you can get this image and perhaps select the image and maybe so this is an image here. I'm select just random images. Yeah, so you see this is the right family. Select another image. So this one, yeah, that's fuse cartridge views. So you see the image recognition is very quick to identify the parts, which is again cartridge views. Um, it's very quick to identify parts by image, which help you, navigate the images uh, where possible. You can find the right images. So we use image recognition trained by artificial intelligence using Google AI. to help us find the images. So this one here, match it with some families here. So it could be inverter drivers, battery charger, UPS, power suppliers. It's still loading here, so make sure you don't interrupt it while it's loading. Otherwise, the results will be doesn't look right. So yeah, it should be one of this family. Um, I think you got it right. Uh, that you can use image recognition in multiple ways where it help you find the right family using artificial intelligence, which greatly help you, do your cross references much accurately and much easier. So give it a go, have it a try. If you have any question, as usual, report the problem, and let me know what's the problem. I'll try do my best to solve it. So thanks very much for listening.